Good afternoon, students. So yesterday we have started with conditions necessary for the process of photosynthesis, and first condition we have verified, that is sunlight is important for the process of photosynthesis. Today we are going to see that whether carbon dioxide is essential for the photosynthesis or not. For that we are going to make a different arrangement than yesterday. Yes, we are going to take a potted plant but with a different arrangement. So here we are going to take this potted plant which has a very long and wide leaf. Such kind of potted plant we are going to take, and we are going to dip half portion of this leaf in a wide mouthed bottle. So if you see, this is the wide mouthed bottle in which we have dipped the half portion of the leaf. So this wide mouthed bottle is already containing with the solution called as KOH solution, potassium hydroxide solution. Why to use this I am going to tell you later on. After finishing the experiment I will tell you why to use this potassium hydroxide solution. So this mouth of the bottle is tightly packed that no air enters inside the bottle. Now we are going to keep this arrangement in dark room for say 2 days, as we have done for the last experiment, and then after destarching the plant, that means whatever starch is present in the previously in the plant is totally removed, totally destarched. Now there is no, after 2 days there is no starch present in the plant. Then we will remove it and we will keep this same arrangement for 7 to 8 hours in the sunlight for again preparation of the starch. So now after destarching, now we are going to allow the plant to prepare the starch again. Then after 7 to 8 hours, we are going to detach this leaf from the plant. Same way as we have done yesterday, that double boiling in the alcohol and then the iodine test with the leaf we are going to perform. So we are going to take this leaf in a small beaker first, which contains the alcohol, and we are going to place this in a large beaker which is containing the water. So here in this beaker there is alcohol and in this the boiling water. So this is called as double boiling. As alcohol is inflammable, it catches the heat very easily. So we directly not going to heat alcohol and we are going to place it in a boiling water bath. In this way. Okay. Why to put this in alcohol? For discolorization. This is a particular method of discolorization of the leaf. That means whatever chlorophyll present in the leaf is dissolved in the alcohol. When the alcohol turns warm or when it becomes hot, then it absorbs the chlorophyll from the leaf. So we are double boiling the water. We are going to remove the color from the chlorophyll from the leaf. Now take it out, wash it in a petri dish and again place it in a small petri dish. So when you place it in a small petri dish, then when you pour drop by drop, when you pour iodine solution, you will observe that the half portion of the leaf which is inside the bottle won't turn bluish black. It will remain as it is discolored, and the portion which is outside, which is exposed to the air, turns bluish black. That means the portion which is not inside the leaf has starch inside it, and the portion which is inside the bottle has no starch in it. So why this happened? Why there is no starch in the half portion of the leaf which is dipped inside, which is present suspended inside the bottle which contains KOH solution. So the conclusion of the experiment or the observation, we can say that the KOH solution, potassium hydroxide solution, has a particular characteristic. That's why we have used it here, that it absorbs whatever carbon dioxide present to the nearby areas to it. So, inside the bottle, whatever carbon dioxide is prepared is totally absorbed by this KOH solution, and as we have made the bottle airtight, so no air or no carbon dioxide entered inside the bottle. So there is no availability of carbon dioxide to the half portion of the leaf. As there is no availability of carbon dioxide, though sunlight is available, water is available, chlorophyll is available, but as the carbon dioxide is totally absorbed by the KOH solution, the portion of the leaf won't be able to prepare the starch, and that's why it remains as it is, discolored without turning bluish black. So by this experiment, we can conclude that carbon dioxide is very important for the process of photosynthesis. I hope you understood this experiment. Now we are going to see that as carbon dioxide and sunlight are important, whether same way chlorophyll is also important for the process of photosynthesis or not. So third experiment is to verify that whether chlorophyll is important for the process of photosynthesis or not. And for this we need a variegated leaf plant. Now what is variegated leaf plant? A leaf with different colors, not just only green color but with different colors. It may be yellow color, it may be red color, it may be purple color. So any leaf with different colors. So here we are going to take a leaf with different colors, not just green. Yes, it contains a little green color also, but with that it contains patches of certain other colors. So such plant we are going to take with leaves with different colors. Okay, then again same way we are going to put this in dark room for 2 days for destarching. Again we are going to remove it back, going to keep 7 to 8 hours in sunlight for preparing starch again. Okay, then we are going to double boil this in the alcohol. Then we are going to wash it with warm water. Then we are going to take this leaf in a petri dish and discolorization. After discolorization, we are going to observe the test with the iodine. So when we are going to pour iodine solution on this leaf, then we will observe that where there are patches, there is no formation of bluish black color. So there is no bluish black color observed in these different color patches, but wherever there is green color on the leaf, this portion turns bluish black, but wherever there are different color patches, that portion won't turn bluish black in color. So this tells us that wherever there is chlorophyll in the leaf, only that portion has performed photosynthesis, and that's why it has turned bluish black in color. But wherever there are other patches like other colors, yellow, green, yellow, purple or red, such colors are there, such portions of the leaf won't turn bluish black. That tells us that in that places chlorophyll is absent, and that's why there is no presence of starch. So we can conclude by this experiment that chlorophyll is also important for the process of photosynthesis. So now the fourth condition, water is important for the process of photosynthesis. You are going to find out and you are going to tell me that whether really water is important for the process of photosynthesis or not. Up till now, I have discussed three conditions which are very important for the process of photosynthesis. And they are, first is sunlight is important for the process of photosynthesis. Second is carbon dioxide is important for the process of photosynthesis. And third is chlorophyll is important for the process of photosynthesis. Now you are going to find out whether water is also important for the process of photosynthesis or not. And tomorrow you are going to tell me about this. I am going to discuss about this with you. I hope you understood these three experiments, and we are going to start with the animal nutrition in our next session. Thank you.